What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This weekend is my brother Cameron's bachelor party, but before we head up and go drink some alcohol and have a good time, I need to head to the shop and work on Bobby's car a little bit. Quick story time. Last night when Bobby and I went out to do some rippers, we went and got some fuel for the car and went and did some rippers and then parked it at the gym, got out, noticed it was leaking fuel from the fuel pump. So went back to the shop after the gym and kind of pulled it apart, looked into it, figured out what the source of the leak was. So today, before I head out for the weekend, I am headed to the shop. I know Bobby wants to drive the car and I feel bad that it's not like ready to go. So I'm gonna go back to the shop right now and get it all fixed up, ready for her, and she can come swap out the M3 for the STi whenever she wants to go take the car out. That's the plan right now. Head to the shop, fix her car, go drive it, make sure it's good to go. I know it's only on like, I think yesterday it made like 315 wheel. Obviously it's gonna make a lot more than that all said and done, but it's enough for Bobby to go out, have fun, enjoy the car, kind of get used to it again, used to how it's gonna feel. And then when we get back, turn it up, send it to the moon, and then she can enjoy it forever. So the problem with our fuel pump is it's kind of annoying. It's kind of not a very fun situation. This bulkhead that we added in for the Deechworks wiring, that seal is leaking. And when I pull it apart and I pull it out of the car, I'll show you guys why. But essentially we are gonna have to relocate this over here on the edge somewhere and plug that hole. Let's pull it out of the car. I'll show you guys exactly what's going on. And hopefully this helps out some of you guys if you're going to be doing the same pump in your car. Oh boy, the joys of doing a fuel pump when the tank is full and not having enough time to drain it. I have like 30 minutes to get this thing fixed, so hopefully I can get it fixed in time. But basically our problem is when you put this pump down in the car and you bolt it down, it compresses like that, right? The problem is that wiring connector right there, that black wiring connector, when you push it down, it's hitting on this shelf right here, so it needs to be moved in. And looking at it, it looks like the only location we can move it is closer to over here. What I'm gonna do is pull it apart. I think if we pop it in right there, we should be fine, and then we're gonna have to figure out how to plug that hole. I really want Bobby to have her car back and enjoy this thing because it's been a few weeks. Pump is all back together. Plug that we installed isn't the most beautiful thing in the world. It's literally a bolt with two like rubber sealing washers on each side, nut on the bottom, cinched together, cut the heads off, and now we have plenty of space. So we moved it from there over to there. Let's slap it back in the car, get her 100% assembled, go for a drive, and make sure she don't leak. Pump is back in. Let's hit the very first cold start, since it's got some sort of a tune on it, and see what happens. That was solid. That was very, very, very good. I'm impressed. All right, let's go drive it, make sure we don't leak. If we don't leak, come back, put it all 100% together, get that lid on, seat back on, and then Bobby can enjoy this car. It was a very, very bad leak, and it was happening quick, so if it leaks, we'll know it's in like 3 seconds of driving down the road. I love how this car sounds. It sounds so good. I don't think it sounds as good as Evo's, like a fully built Evo, like the 10 for example. But they still sound amazing. Really, really good. It does have like a hanging idle for sure that we should probably get situated. Hey, it's dry as could be. Sick. That that makes me excited. That problem definitely should not have been a problem. That should have been something that I double checked before we completely reassembled the pump, or even before we even drilled the first hole ever. That should have been something that we checked, but gotta fix it, move on with life. And now that it's fixed, I'm happy. I might just buy a new hanger and kind of redo the setup. That plug is kind of, I don't know, I guess it doesn't matter. You can't see it anyway, but if it starts bugging me a lot and I think about it, then I'll just buy a new hanger, redo the hole where it is now, and not have a plug on the other side. But I'm gonna clean up the shop, put the car back together. Let's go rip it real quick because it's freaking fun. And then we gotta head out. She's a ripper, she's fun. Even though it's only at 315 wheel right now, I'm excited to turn it all the way up, finish done tuning, and especially excited for some good old E85 in this thing. Just in case you don't want alcohol.
Oh, I already stole one of my own beer. I like these. I can vibe with those ones.
I like those are good.
Let's do both.
Obviously, Austin couldn't come without his Traeger.
Hell yeah, you gotta eat good.
All right, let me give you guys a little house tour because this place is pretty cool. So we're out in Sandpoint right now, which is like northern Idaho, kind of close to Canada. This is the front of the house. Got the dirty, got a taco. You walk on in. Got the bachelor himself. That's where I sleep. Pop outside, and we got a little river. The lake is up there. Josh, you catch anything? Nothing? And then the other boys are gone somewhere else. I don't know where the hell they went. Dude, imagine this. Throw the beer cooler on the back. You can fit 4 people in this.
Dude, it's a 4-seater. Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's fucking do it.
Is that 4-seater?
Yeah, it's 4-seater. We gotta get a beer cooler though. We're gonna go rip around on that thing and have a good time and drink some beer. This is a sick boat. How many horsepowers?
Stuck in the mud, dude.
We're turning back.
There we go. Get a little burnout. Come on. There we go. Hope they don't sink. There, dude.
Oh yeah, dude.
4 big ass fat dudes on the one boat.
Dude, oh, we're filling up, we're filling up, we're filling up.
Oh shit, we're going under.
Hold up, hold up, hold up.
Not the drone.
Slide forward.
I don't know if that's good.
Hey, we should just put the cooler like right here.
Yeah, let's do that. There's too much weight back here. We
Oh,
need more
dude.
weight up front.
We almost
sure.
fucking went under.
Dude, that would have been, dude, my phone almost. Dude, I love it, dude. We're doing right there. I feel like we're still tanking in the back for some reason.
Because I'm back here.
We're right.
Devin, get your strong kahuna ass up here.
Is there steering on this thing?
Yeah.
Where?
Under the cooler.
Oh shoot.
Oh, the steering's under the cooler.
No, wait, go that way. I think Jeff and Austin went this way.
They did, but I don't know how to turn this thing
Oh,
on.
there they are. Look at them. They're down there.
There's got to be a weight capacity on this thing, and we're clearly above the weight capacity.
Dude. Dude, I love it, dude. Dude, why is there so much poop in this fucking river? What the fuck, dude? Dude, we can't go down in the bayou. There it goes.
All right, guys, we are about to head back to Spokane. It was a good weekend. Definitely drank a lot of alcohol, had a lot of fun. I know I didn't film much or record much. Just mainly had a good time. I hope you guys enjoyed this little bachelor party footage. Tomorrow we should be able to finish up tuning Bobby's STi and then move on to the next project. Peace out, my friends. I'll see you guys tomorrow.